Today I have a macaco tutorial for you, which is actually one of the signature movements of capoeira, one of the signature flips, acrobatic movements. The movement itself is actually not that difficult. The difficult part is fear, that's the number one, but also lack of understanding of details, and I'm gonna talk about those today. Of course, I'm gonna go through some recommendations as always. Number one is being back flexibility. You don't really need to have beautiful bridge, but really helps. So if you can work a little bit on back flexibility, that's definitely gonna help you. More important, in my opinion, is handstand. There is gonna be a moment in macaco when you support the entire weight of your body on two hands, on your shoulders, on your arms. So you need to get over the fear of that, of being upside down on your hands. Very, very important is strong wrist. You really need to make sure that you work on that and flexibility as well, just to prevent injuries. You need to work on leg strength as well. The explosiveness of the movement when you try to jump basically from the squat, you try to almost stand up and flip yourself onto your hands. You need some leg strength. If your legs are weak, that's not gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Let me show you how to do macaco. Before I show you the final macaco and give you final tips, I'm gonna talk very quickly about very common mistakes that are super important, the extremely important details. Number one being placing your hand completely too much to the back, okay? So when you place your hand, you kind of need to go there. Many people, when they twist, they try to go over too far. This is a huge mistake, and it's gonna spoil your macaco. Another one is the distance. Very often people just trying to place their hand, they're still in cocorinha, they place their hand behind them and they try to do the flip. You have to kind of fall onto the hand to do macaco. This will make sure that your hand is actually quite further away and you can really open up your bridge. Main two things, if you remember about those, you will do macaco. If you want to go really nicely onto your hands, you need to gradually move the hand that you swing with. You need to go to the side and higher, and eventually you basically need to flip this hand on this side of your head. Not here, not there, not in the middle. Open up your shoulder there. This is the fear part. You need to go over this, but first you need to prepare your body, prepare the technique, and then you can pull it off. If you managed to watch this video until now, I have a bonus for you. I almost forgot. The variation of macaco is S-Dobrado, which is basically a macaco from one leg, the other swings up. I'm gonna do a separate tutorial for this because the technique is a bit different and the exercises are different and the requirements are different, but I'm gonna show this anyway. If you're not sure what that is, you've never seen it before, which is probably not possible, but anyway. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and I hope you're gonna share this video if you found it useful with your fellow capoeiristas. Please do. If you didn't, well, there is nothing I could. Maybe you see in the next one, yeah?